Hello and welcome in the next video. If you recently bought a 3D printer that was supposed to be a plug and play, then I have to disappoint you a little. It's not completely true. 3D printers are not plug and play. But with those 20 tips, it will almost feel like that, and you will be able to avoid a lot of problems. So let's get started. Number 1. Auto leveling is not magic. Still check the first layer. Many modern printers have auto-bed leveling, with sensors like BL Touch, LiDAR, or nozzle probing. But those systems don't always account for dirty beds, bent plates, or inconsistent Z offsets. Always check your first layer visually. If it's squished too much or not sticking, adjust the Z offset. Number 2. Calibrate the Z offset hot. This one is often missed. When calibrating the offset or running bed mesh, make sure the nozzle and bed are heated to normal printing temps. Heat expands metal. What's level cold might be off by 0.2 mm when hot. Number 3. Vibration compensation works, but only if you use it. Newer printers often support input shaping or resonance compensation. It reduces ghosting and ringing, especially at high speeds. BambuLab, Creality K1 and Clipper-based printers usually include an automatic calibration tool. Don't skip it. Run it regularly, especially if you move your printer or upgrade parts. Number 4. Clean bed means happy prints. The number one reason prints don't stick? Dirty bed. Skin oils, dust, glue residue, it all ruins adhesion. Clean the bed with isopropanol before every print. If you use glue stick, apply evenly and replace it every few prints. Some surfaces like PEI or texture sheet don't need glue but still need cleaning. Number 5. Don't blindly trust auto-calibration. Many printers run automatic flow, pressure advance or bed mesh calibrations, but those results aren't always accurate. Run your own small test prints to confirm, like a flow cube, thin wall calibration, or temperature tower. Adjust based on the results you actually see. Number 6. Use the right print mode for the right job. Modern printers offer normal, sport, or ludicrous speed profiles. It's tempting to use the fastest, but it's not always worth it. For detail prints or glossy finish, stick with normal or even silent mode. Save high-speed profiles for functional or rougher parts. Number 7. Dry your filament, especially PETG, TPU, and nylon. It might seem like freshly unpacked material is directly ready to use, but even PLA gets stringy when wet. PETG and TPU absorb water in just a few days. If your filament crackles, strings, or oozes, dry it. Do it also before the first loading to the printer. Use a filament dryer, dehydrator, or low-temp oven, around 45 to 60 degrees, depending on the material. Number 8. Don't swap nozzles cold. Some printers have the quick swap nozzle systems, or you change the nozzle together with heatsink. But if you have a printer with regular nozzle that you screw into heatsink, always heat the hot end to 200 to 250 degrees before swapping nozzles. Cold nozzle changes often cause stripped threads, leaks, or clogs. Screw it in while warm, then tighten fully when hot. Don't forget to recalibrate the Z offset afterwards. Number 9. Don't print from USB or computer for long prints. Avoid doing long prints from a computer or USB cable. Use SD cards, USB sticks, or cloud printing instead. Why? A bumped cable or PC crash can ruin hours of progress. Especially with Bambu or Clipper, cloud control like Bambu Studio or Fluid is much more reliable. Number 10. Avoid G-code downloads from random websites. Stick to proven FreeMF or project files unless you're slicing yourself. G-codes are printer specifics. Setting for Creality K1 will not work safely on BambuLab or Prusa MK4, even if it's for your printer model. It's safer to double check what speeds, accelerations and other parameters were used in the G-code to don't cause any problems. Number 11. Understand your slicer before printing anything complex. Modern slicers like Bambu Studio, Prusa Slicer or Orca Slicer are powerful, but only if you learn them. Before printing your dream project, explore the slicer tabs: the flow rate, speed, wall thickness, support material, cooling settings. Don't rely only on presets. Number 12. Don't ignore print cooling. Even with modern hot ends, poor part cooling causes stringing, curling, and nozzle crashes. If your PLA print is lifting or curling upward, check your fan settings. On many printers, increasing fan speed after the first layer helps avoiding heat creep or warping. Number 13. AMS, MMU, or multi-spool feeders clip and align. Multi-material systems are cool, but finicky. Always clip filament ends neatly, avoid bends, and align the spool path. Jumped AMS or MMU setups are frustrating to fix. Number 14. Be careful with PLA and enclosed printers. If you are printing PLA in enclosed printer, prepare for clogs. It might get too warm inside and filament will start melting too early, getting stuck in the gears or heatsink. Make sure to leave the front door or top glass opened, or use a chamber fan if your printer has one. Number 15. Check belt tension and clean linear rails. Even pre-assembled printers can develop loose belts or dusty rails. Too loose means layer shifts. Too tight means wear and noise. Check monthly and clean rods with a microfiber cloth or oil recommended by producer. Number 16. Don't turn your printer into a Christmas tree. Mounting lights, cameras and decorations on the frame might seem fun, but if your printer lacks a rigid frame, those add vibrations and resonances, especially during fast moves. Keep accessories lightweight and mounted off-frame when possible. Number 17. Don't skip the maintenance. Treat your 3D printer like a bicycle. It needs regular checkups. Check screws, cables, belts, cooling fans, and the nozzle once in a while. I also recommend keeping one or two spare nozzles, PTFE tubes, and some spare parts on standby. You never know when you will need it. Number 18. Learn to recognize common print defects. Here are quick causes: stringing, wet filament, high temps, bad retraction. Under extrusion, clogged nozzle, wet filament, weak extruder. Two visible seams, bad retraction tuning, pressure advance too high. Warping or lifting, dirty bed, wrong bed temperatures, insufficient adhesion. Number 19. Practice with simple models. Before printing cosplay armor or detailed statues, test your machine with small calibration models, like benchy, calibration cube, temperature tower, or retraction test. This will help you understand your printer's behavior and what you can expect, without wasting 20 hours of print time. Number 20. Use the community. You are not alone. Reddit forums, Facebook groups, and Discord servers are full of people who had the same problem like you. Search your issue before pulling your printer apart. It might be a 2-minute fix. So there you go. 20 beginner tips designed for the modern generation of 3D printers. Whether you are using a BambuLab, Creality, GD or any other machine, the key is understanding what your printer automates and what it still needs your attention for. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumb up and subscribe for more printing guides. Got your own tips or issues? Drop them in the comments. There is sure more than I mentioned, so let's help each other. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.